guys, this is Harika and today's recipe is gonna be tofu stir fry. This tofu has a number of health benefits. So let's get started. First things first, here I have the firm tofu. You can use firm or extra firm tofu for this recipe. First I'm going to cut open the packet and show you guys how the inside looks like. Now drain the water and carefully place the tofu on the paper towel and press them gently with another paper towel. At this point, you can also place some weight on top of it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm not gonna do that. Once it is dry, then cut into cubes, maybe 1 by 1 inch. You know, the best thing about tofu is it does not have any taste to it, which is very good because we can add whatever sauce we like to make our own concoction. Once you cut the tofu into pieces, then arrange it on the paper towel and give enough room to dry. Okay, this is an optional step, but I like to do it. Here I have a 6-inch skillet on medium heat. Add the sesame seeds into it and roast it in slow flame till the aroma comes out. This is 12-inch skillet on medium-high heat. I'm adding some vegetable oil into it, and now I am going to add some sesame oil as well. This is optional, but it enhances the flavor. Once the oil is hot, then place the tofu and cook till it gets golden brown spots all the sides. To make the slurry, I'm going to use some handful of ingredients. Into the ketchup, add some chili sauce. You can also add chili garlic sauce. Then add soy sauce. I'm using dark soya. Then add some vinegar and some salt as per your taste, and also some pepper. You can use white pepper as well. Now mix it well and make sure you taste it for the seasoning. Okay, these tofu pieces are ready. Now I like to remove the excess oil from the pan because it already done its job. Once you get rid of the excess oil, then pour the slurry on top of the tofu pieces and toss it. Now add a tablespoon or tablespoon and a half of sesame seeds. Okay, here I have a garlic pod. I already grated one and this is my second one. Grate the garlic. You can also use garlic paste, but I like the freshly grated garlic. Now add this into the tofu and then mix it well and cook it for 5 more minutes. And that's it. Finally garnish it with some green onions. This dish literally took 15 minutes to cook. It is so simple and delicious recipe. You can eat this tofu just like that or serve as a side dish for fried rice. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe or comment down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon with another great recipe. Bye bye.